Hello everyone, welcome to Scarlet. Today I am back with another new video where you can learn how to paint a simple mountain landscape with acrylic colors. So this is the painting which I am going to paint now, and these are my brushes which I will use. At first I will draw a cloudy sky. For that I am mixing the colors, some Prussian Blue, Cobalt Blue and some white. Mix the color properly. Then I am applying the color. Then I will add some white color to the bottom part of the sky and blend it properly. Now added some more white. Take some white color and paint like this. In the previous video, I have already shown the technique of painting the sky and clouds. Here I will show you again. If you want, you can blend the color by using your hand, just like this. I really like to do this and I think it really works. The color blends well. Next, apply some grey color to the bottom. Always the top of the cloud looks brighter than the bottom. I really love to paint clouds. And some final touches. Next, I am going to paint the mountain and I am really excited to paint this. So let's begin. Slowly paint the upper side first. Then I am applying the white shade to the top of the mountain. Always remember that one side of the mountain will be bright and the opposite side will be dark. For example, this side is the direction of light, so this side will be bright. And this is the opposite side, so this will be the dark. And the mountain is done. Next, I am mixing some yellow and sap green for painting a green field. Now I am applying the color. Adding some dark green. Then I'm applying the same color to the rest of the part. Now the last thing which I'm going to show how to paint the grass. I'm using a round brush in the size of 2 and this is how to draw the strokes. Then using a fan brush to highlight some parts of the grass. So everyone, if you like the video and if it is helpful for you to learn something, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.